guys, it's Logan here. This is what's in Steven's drink. By the way, this is my drink. Turn it at me. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's beer.
Hold it.
Oh.
Okay.
Steven, drink this
You want
outside.
to have a look?
Ooh. Okay, it's
That's
cream.
weird. It's got weird.
It is 3 warheads, coffee stuff, vanilla, cream soda, and 1 gummy. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Outside. Damn, I don't want to make my drink. My drink is so good. Okay. Okay, you guys don't say anything in the video.
Are you actually shooting the video?
Yes.
We are.
Smart YouTube. Okay, ready? Drink it. Drink it. No, don't stand up there. Are you ready to drink it? Drink it.
I hope this gets you subscribers.
Drink it. Another sip. You at least have to have 5 sips. 5 sips. Go. Go. Drink some. Drink some more. Okay, you're not gonna puke. Drink some. Oh God. Okay, drink it. One more sip. Don't spit on the carpet. Spit over here.
What's in that? What's in that?
Bad stuff. Did you literally post? Did you actually puke? You puked, guys. Peace out.
What's in that, Logan?
Peace. I don't know. Peace out.